What up guys, Malone6 here, and welcome to a new series where I show you crypto for beginners. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download and set up your Metamask for the very first time. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to need to do is go to the Google Chrome store. Now how I normally get to it is I normally just go to Google and type in Chrome store. And then it's normally the first one, and then here I can download different extensions. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do it on Chrome. You can also do it on the Brave browser, same steps. There might be other browsers you can use as well, but I'm not as familiar with them. If you want me to make a video about that, leave a comment down below. So we're at the Chrome web store. Go ahead and type in Metamask, and then right here you want to click on the orange fox icon, that one, not the other ones, the orange one. From here, you want to click on Add to Chrome or Add to Brave if using the Brave browser. From here, go ahead and hit Add Extension, and then it will start downloading it. And then once that's on, in the top right here, you can click the little puzzle piece and you can see Metamask. If you wish, you could pin it to the top so it always shows. So go ahead and click on the little Metamask icon, and that should bring you to this page, which says, Welcome to Metamask, connecting your Ethereum and decentralized web. Now you can do more than just Ethereum. If you wanted to, you can also do Polygon and Binance Smart Chain and some others as well. And in future videos, I'll show you how to set those up so that way you're not stuck with just Ethereum. So from here, go ahead and click Get Started. And if you already have an account, you can import your secret recovery phrase. If you don't, then you would need to create a wallet. This video, we're going to show you how to create a wallet. Here, it's going to tell you some security things. So go ahead and read those. Click I agree if you agree. Now you're going to need to create a password. After that, go ahead and look at the terms and service. If you agree, click You read and agree. Hit Create. From here, it's going to tell you how to secure your wallet, but I'm going to walk you through that instead. So from here, it's going to give you secret recovery word phrase, and it's going to give you 12 words. These 12 words are extremely important. Do not share them with anyone. So I'm not going to actually create this Metamask account, so these 12 words don't matter. I'm going to set up a new account, but make sure you mark down these words, print this off of your computer if you need to, take a picture and save it in some secret place or something, wherever you would keep your normal passwords and wherever you would keep your social security number. Think of it as that important. So from here, you hit next. All right, from here, it's going to make you confirm your recovery phrase to make sure that you've written it down, because like I said, it's extremely important that you have it written down somewhere, because whoever controls these 12 words could potentially own the wallet and whatever's in the wallet. So if you have crypto in the wallet, they own that crypto. So make sure to keep this a secret. So I've gone ahead and selected my secret recovery phrase. Now keep in mind that a user who knows these words could own your Metamask wallet even if they don't know your password. They do not need to know your password if they know these 12 words. All right, after you've confirmed, hit confirm. Congratulations, you passed the test. Keep your secret recovery phrase safe. It's your responsibility. And there you have it. You now have Metamask on your Chrome browser. If you ever want to see how much crypto and stuff you have in it, go ahead and click the little puzzle piece and click Metamask. If it's pinned, it'll be right there for you. You can just click it. It'll show you how much Ethereum you have and your activity and stuff. Stay tuned for future videos on how to deposit money into your Metamask. Link in the description for the playlist. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay active, stay healthy. God bless. Peace. Series where I teach you how to just touch Coco's face. What up guys, Malone6 here, and in today's video, nope,